Well, evening girls and boys, welcome back. Friday night garage night. Just a quick intro tonight. We've got some footage to show you on the floor. I didn't manage to record it, I'm afraid, but I've still got the engine bay to do yet, so we'll definitely record that, getting painted and that. So we've got some parts that have arrived today as well. A new powder coated subframe and the rear window as well for the back of the cab. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Well, then let you see what we've done so far. You can see the floor. It's turned out quite well. It's the first time I've painted in about, I don't know, five years, maybe 5-6 years. It's 2-pack. It's not quite the same colour as Dave Jaguar as I wanted. I forgot to take the code down when I got to the shop. So it's like an old English white, maybe slightly darker, maybe. It's not far off it, but it looks good. I like it. It looks good, and like I say, it was nice with some colour. Yeah, it was 2-pack, so straight gloss. So first time I've used that as well. I usually use base coat and lacquer, but the guy in the shop persuaded me to go. Well, my son said it's quite good, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go. And I must admit, it turned out it was actually all right. We couldn't paint tonight anyway because it's far too windy outside, you know, and the wind faces up in the garage, so all the still will just come through and just ruin it. So we'll do that maybe during the week sometime, if not next week. So tonight we're gonna. Oh, I got my new parts as well. My new subframe come today as well. That's it there. That's all powder coated. So we'll change the bushes on the other one, because the other one's painted, but it's done in very high gloss, which I didn't really fancy. But we'll do that. We'll change the bushes over and put it onto here. We've got the back window as well. That's arrived. That was from M Machine. So, oh, that's handy. That's already on it. I just went and ordered these new bits here, and it's already on the window. So that's it there for the back end, which is quite good. Quite good stuff. It's quite thick. That. Yeah, it's really good. Good quality stuff from M Machine, so I'm very pleased with that. That's for you, came for the canopy. We can always weld them in if you don't want them in. You know what I mean? It's not a problem, you know. But they're there anyway, you know. But so we'll probably get that on probably next week. Just put some button head screws in it or something. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, and also we'll try the subframe, and then we'll put the tank. I've got the bracket. I've got all the components for the petrol tank as well, all the screws and all the gubbins and all that. So obviously we'll dry fit that, make sure that fits before we take the car off the jig. So my plan is tonight is get the subframe on, line up the petrol tank, make sure that's okay with that, and then we'll take it off the jig and get it ready for the engine bay, to get that prepped for during the week to get painted, and then we can start on the prep work for the car, for the rest of the car. So yeah, it's all exciting stuff now. Like I didn't think we'll be here this quick, but I'm very happy with the progress. Like, and I must admit, the support we've had from everybody. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I must thank you for that as well. You know, been absolutely great. And I see Dave's back from his holidays. Aye, back from his holidays, pal. Back to the grind, I'm afraid, Davey, son. Back to the grind. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Well, we're going to put that on, and then we're going to test fit the fuel tank, because I've got the screws and the wee plastic grommets and all that to go in here.
Right, yeah. Is that a long fuel tank on them? No.
It's brought, it's there, it's in there.
Oh, is that it there?
It's in the box,
I see it's in the box.
Probably, it's a brace. That's good. It's like Santa Claus, man. Every day. I've been eating, John, I've been out every day this week with the spoons for breakfast every morning.
Good.
I'm usually there, right? I'm usually there 3 times a week.
With the wife?
No, that's been all the old Corey's meeting today.
What's that?
All the way peas.
Oh, the old day pizza.
See, some of them, man, they sit there for years, man. Years. One cup of tea in there all day.
That's what it's like. And they'll be sitting behind the bar, they can't go.
We were in Saturday, last Saturday was.
Can we get
That's
chocolate?
all that carpool and white. That's all.
Keep getting
Oh, red chocolate.
Did you get that? I want to get it.
Yeah, free all day.
What's that?
Sit there, they go buy a cup of tea. You get the same guy to sit beside the fire. Him and his wife. Oh, every day, man.
Every day.
Every day.
It's crazy, eh?
I said to myself, how the hell do that?
They're absolutely great, eh?
Because the winter time, you see.
Because you can't go to a pub, you get like a normal pub now, you get to buy maybe a meal and something else and you sit. They're going to eat a cup of coffee and a breakfast and sit all day.
Where's the engine?
I reckon there must be somebody lying over here somewhere that was making fixed.
Do it my son's house.
Oh, do it, Jonathan.
Alright, so I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to pick it up on Monday or Tuesday. Take the bottom ends. Put the stuff in. You have to do that. Because I've not got a 12, I think I've got a 1275 in it.
I might not have the money, I had the...
Well, exactly. A guy asked me how many hours I've done it. I think at that time when I missed him back, it was roughly about 100 hours. Give or take 3 or 4 hours so far. That was about 2 weeks ago. So that's not bad going.
It's good, eh? It's good.
But that's off the
Hello,
road.
Lewis. Hello, Joe.
The other one was absolutely like
You see that?
It was terrible.
Oh, youngins all these days.
So you're going to replace the gutter or are you just going to cut
Yes.
I got to cut them off.
Cut back, and then we've got 2 new guts to go. One at the bottom and one at the
I mean,
top.
years ago they used to cut them off and smooth them
Oh,
off.
it's
hard.
You used to
Did you
smooth
see
them
me?
all,
Aye, did you see me
that's-
that? Aye, it's hard to
You
see
can
them.
hear they used to smooth all them away, eh? Do away with the runners, eh? Or the channels, eh? But if you do away with that, you open the door, you get fucking covered in rain. The rain will just fucking rain down.
See that there, you can buy all them. So if you change that pillar, that's your pillar there, on your normal saloon.
Aye.
Take the old one off, put that big
That
pillar
one,
in.
aye.
That's your distance then to your windy frame here. So that's you.
Handy, eh? It is, eh?
And you can still buy all them. I ordered them, in fact I ordered them today. That. And what else did I buy? Oh, I bought one of these. But
You didn't need it?
I didn't need it because that's the window ones. That's what you got on it. So,
Right.
so yeah, so ordered some bits and pieces from there. But they're quite good. Like I think the only thing I had to wait really was for the floor and this bit here.
What kind of seat goes on that one? Is it like a bench seat, is it in a minute?
No,
I thought about a bench seat. I thought a bench seat would look nice, eh?
Aye, right close,
Well,
eh?
they came out the window though.
Because it's not a racer, eh? It's just going to be cruising.
Right, because you just want... You could probably get a bench seat in here, eh? But the
nice.
handbrake's going to be in your way enough, eh?
It'd be quite nice for a bench seat.
I'm going to go for something like of a modern mini,
Right.
leather, something like that.
One of the seats. You're big, quite big
Halfbacks.
seats.
I like the halfbacks, eh?
Oh, but they're quite narrow.
Aren't they?
Aye. I think Dave Django's got on some in his.
Because when you see the new minis, some of them like those steroids
A
inside.
bench seat would be nice, eh? There's a bench seat with a cut out in the middle, came for the handbrake.
You just put in a single
yeah,
speedo
your
in the middle
handbrake,
and the cloaks at the side or something.
Yeah, well, the
If you're trying to keep
one
that
that's came
nice
out,
and tight,
the one that's came out of that,
Don't
I'm sure it's
know,
off
funny
of
seats, eh?
freaking Cooper Sport.
Cooper Sport,
Because it's
right.
got the dial in the middle and it's got the wee clocks at the side.
Sides, right. Because you get that, they made different fucking cloaks for them, eh?
Aye, and the one for that has got just a normal. Can that's only done 26,000 miles.
Ah, he's going to cut out.
Right, boys and girls, welcome back. This is done for the night. Sorry, it's just a short one, but an invasion from our friends that came down. Some of the Cosworth mob. Tam and his
boys.
the 40 boys came down tonight for a wee visit. So good to see them. You know, it's nice to see fellow car enthusiasms. You know, but anyway, we've got the subframe on. So looking sweet, looking good. So I'm very happy with that. Just look good. The black on the white looks quite nice. So we'll get I've ordered the reaming tool as well. I think the same one that Keith Miller used. So I managed to find him, and so that should be here this week, so we can get that suspension arms all done. I've got the bits and pieces for the fuel tank, so I can put them in. Get the tank dry fitted and take it back out, obviously, and then what else, Johnny? The cables and that, and then the just fuel lines and stuff like that.
Just get the back end.
Get the back end done up, sorted now, and then we'll get it back on the floor and take it from there. So yeah, so I apologize. It's just been a short one tonight, but you know, just one of those things. So I hope you enjoyed what you've seen tonight. I know. It's not been much, but we'll catch you again next week, and hopefully it'll be a better week next week. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Bye for now.